you're experiencing account sync issues in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to resolve the problem. Follow this guide to help speed up the syncing process. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, account sync problems can be caused by server outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary syncing issues. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the game cache by navigating to the Sims 4 folder in your documents. Delete the cache files, as these can sometimes cause syncing problems. Restart the game afterward. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your EA account through the game settings. This can refresh your account connection and resolve any sync discrepancies. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issues in The Sims 4. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.